In 1932, Australia declared war on birds. And guess what? The birds won. This is the story of the Great Emu War, when armed soldiers took on a flock of 20,000 flightless birds and failed. After World War I, Australian soldiers returned home and were given land to farm. But then came a new enemy, the emu invasion. Thousands of these giant birds migrated, destroying crops and causing chaos. Farmers begged the government for help, and Australia responded with machine guns. Armed with Lewis machine guns, the soldiers expected an easy victory. But they underestimated their opponent. The emus were too fast, too smart, and too many. The birds dodged bullets, outmaneuvered the troops, and even broke their guns. The result? An embarrassing defeat for Australia. In the end, Australia wasted thousands of bullets and barely made a dent in the emu population. A government official even admitted the emus proved invulnerable to bullets. Australia had lost the war to birds, and to this day, the emus still roam free. So, what do we learn from this? 1. Never underestimate nature. 1. Machine guns aren't always the answer. And 3. Emus are absolute units. And hey, Australia never tried this again, so I guess the emus won for good. If you loved this crazy history story, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and tell us in the comments, what's the weirdest war you've ever heard of? See you next time.